Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you read by the title, y'all, it is Vlogmas day 6. We are going to be doing a morning skincare routine for the dry skin girlies. Now y'all know my face always dry, literally, like it's dry. My lips even dry. Anyways, but we're going to do a morning skincare routine for the girlies who have dry skin, who kind of want to try new products or need to know the correct order or just need a routine in general. So I'm gonna show you my routine to get that dewy skin for the day. But before we get into it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We are on the road to 1,500. Yeah, that is so weird to say. I am still like shook. So we're on the way to 1,500. So if you haven't already, like this video, comment down below. But don't forget to check out my other previous Vlogmas videos. But anyways, y'all, let's go ahead and get into it, because once again, y'all know I'll ramble. Make sure y'all don't forget to wash your hands. I forgot to tell that. Y'all know, wash your hands first, because whatever you was touching beforehand, it's on them hands. So we're gonna go in with the Matcha Cleanser. Now, I love this cleanser. This is a good cleanser. I did not have any Tatcha products besides this one until Sephora, so I love this. I haven't been using it as much, but since that is colder outside, baby, I've been using it way more, and I love how it's a jelly, but it comes out so easily, y'all. So make sure you're watching how much you put into the hands. A little bit goes a long way, but y'all, I'm heavy-handed, but the way the skin just feels after this is something. And y'all, I need to actually dermaplane my face. And I know y'all probably wondering, like, Destiny, why you got that wig on knowing you can take it off? Because I don't want to do my video with a bonnet on. I'm trying to like make it like, I don't know. Don't ask me questions that I can't answer. I'm sorry, y'all. And make sure you don't forget the neck. I don't go all the way down, but I go like down enough, y'all, just to make sure that it's clean, because sometimes product do get down here. Now I go in with a paper towel and I clean my face. Well, I dry my face with a paper towel, y'all. Now I know people been using like those Sephora wipes or whatever. I haven't gotten any, but I do want to try. So if you have tried it, let me know. Next, we're gonna go in and tone the face using the Snail Rescue toner. Now this peach slices line with Snail Rescue in it is perfect for the girlies who has dry skin, y'all. I rave by this stuff. I love this stuff. When I don't use it, I can really tell in my skin, which is why I try not to, y'all, because I just love it. And like, it just brings back so much hydration into the skin. We're gonna go into the serums, y'all. So I actually have Good Molecules Niacinamide serum. I'm almost out though, y'all. I don't know if y'all can tell, like, I'm almost out. I've been holding on to this for dear life because I don't even want to go into Ulta. Honestly, like, I go in there so much that I'm over going into Ulta, but I need to get some more, y'all, because I love this stuff. Now it says to help refine signs of texture and improve appearance of pores. Now, yeah, my pores are not that huge. They've actually gotten better, especially with this product. But my skin has texture. It's not bad texture, though. Like, it's not bad texture, but I would like to not have as much texture throughout the day, especially when it's dry outside. So I make sure that I use this product to keep the skin from looking cracked up. So y'all, I actually ran out of hyaluronic acid serum from Good Molecules, but guess what? I got a sample. So I have like 10 of these for some odd reason. So I have hyaluronic acid serum from Good Molecules, the sample version, y'all. So a lot honestly come in a little packet, which is why I think I'm gonna distinguish between night and day, because I don't want to use too much. And I just put that all over my face. Next, we have Good Molecules Wake Up Eye Gel. Now, y'all can see I've used 3 Good Molecules products. For them to be so affordable, their products are amazing. I love them so much. Now, this one is typically to reduce signs of puffiness and plump the appearance of fine lines. So I just make sure that I put this here, y'all. I kind of tap, I kind of rub. It just depends on the vibe I want for that day to make sure that it gets into that skin and my skin looks good up under there. I thought about like getting something for like discoloration, because I have like dark under eyes. It's not bad, but I do have dark under eyes. But I do get up under there, and since it does say fine lines, I do come up here, y'all, because my forehead be lining up real bad. And so yes, I do use this product in multiple places to make sure that the skin is still good. So now we're basically done, y'all. So we're just gonna moisturize the face. Now I'm gonna be using this Black Girl moisturizer. I love this, love this, love this, y'all. They have a lip cream or a lip balm that I want to get, but I ain't got it yet. But this is the moisturizing sunscreen lotion in 30 SPF. It is infused with jojoba and avocado, and it's supposed to be water resistant, y'all. I haven't tested out that feature or that option on it yet, but I just love the way it does my skin. Like, even if you put too much, you can rub it in and it won't be a cast. That's what I think I just love the most about it. And it's easy to spread. Like, y'all, it just spread. Cast is gone off the face for the most part, yes. Now we can't forget about the lips, y'all. So we're going to go in with my Topicals Lip Balm. Now, y'all, I love this stuff. It is so thick. I don't know what about it that... at first I hated it. Let me be for real. At first I hated this stuff, but I started to like it because of how thick it is and how juicy it makes my lips look. Like, look at them lips. Alright, everyone, that is it for this video. It's a little bit short, y'all, but I didn't want to just waste so much time trying to talk and da-da-da-da. So I'm sorry if this video too short for you, but I hope you all really truly enjoy it, y'all. The skin looks glowy, the skin looks good. That's all we wanted. But anyways, y'all, before we leave, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Once again, we're on the road to 1,500, y'all. So I would like to get there by the end of the month because of Vlogmas, but you know, things happen. So once again, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, support your girl, like this video, leave a comment down below about what your favorite skincare product is, y'all, or if there's a skincare product in this video that you want to try, let me know. But anyways, once again, y'all, thank you all for watching, and I will see y'all tomorrow with Vlogmas Day 7. Bye! Oh,